Once the great Albert Einstein said, compounding is the eighth wonder of the world. Today we'll be discussing about rule of 72. What is rule of 72? Hi guys, my name is Rakesh Amonani. I'm not the financial advisor. I'll be sharing my story. Please make sure that you do your own research. Rule of 72. What is rule of 72? The magic of compound interest. It was discovered by Italian mathematician Luca Pacioli, which says that when you divide 72 by the interest rate, you can estimate the number of years it takes your money to double. When you invest something in the market, you get rate of return. So if you get rate of return 2%, 4%, 6%, now 72 divided by that rate of return gives you approximately how many years it will take your money to double. So for example, if you invested $5,000 in the stock and it gave you a return of 6%, then it will take 12 years. So 72 divided by 6, it will take 12 years to make your money double. If it is 12% return, it only takes 6 years to make your money double. Again, this is just an idea or estimate. It's not exact picture because there are a lot of other things which get involved, like GDP or inflation, and a lot of other things comes the market situation. So those things plays a big role. But this is general estimate you can get that how much time it takes your money to double. So what do you think about rule of 72? Do you agree with that? Please comment. If you like this video, please subscribe and like. And let me know if you are looking for any other topic. Thank you.